Jedan podać kdos, kako se va predi quite, the hooligan days of a house sparrow. Have you ever seen a sparrow turn into a little airborne hooligan? No. Then watch how our mini boss has fun. My hand doesn't stand a chance of hiding from him. This little rascal is completely in control of the situation. Who would have thought that such a small bird could be funny and cheeky at the same time? I tried to be serious, but with this little hooligan, it doesn't work. A chance? No way. Tada! Chance decided that my napkin is his new toy. Life with a household rascal is like new adventures every day. Our Chance definitely knows how to make weekdays fun. Then this little rascal turns into a fluffy cloud that you want to cuddle. Rascals can be cute, like if you agree.